Yo, me just so bo basu ni my pa, bo my captain no. Na mi shira be ni my pa o bo. Na mi shira you don't nya when in some na kani na nya me be be high.
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
Okoman Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Welcome to Tuesday morning. Welcome to Tuesday morning.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint back a man for a kufu room, Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion.
Okoman Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
Yapo mabaso ni edumapa mo area boa o mine Ghana eni edumapa na yake nyakopo nshira edumapa woni mo mama mo tin eni yakopo ha mo betini ejina no edumapa o mine Ghana.
Okoman Radio, number 1 by Bakope, or Becky Antama, and Kayinim near Obetuma Yamai. There's only a couple of near Warding, saying you my pa, one of your city and Amoi, one coso, now one to Sanamon. Okoman Radio, or Bessing at the Council. Okoman Radio, you Kapaman Bakope.
ACP Kofi Ansong Okoman FM Day, Poria Mantem, as was singing the Council. Near my warrior, now Kusuye, now Obayeno, say Yadeto, and say Nia, not just say Okoman at the move. 1 year maybe our council would be so. I tell you what you me, Kofi ACP. Did you hear dance say, Meji, Impanga being, the can say that one I say, Yabo want to say preco, Okoman de, Yatamochi precope, Sunny and Penin Kaino, was it Ophi and Fee, until Okoman de, Ubia, Enti Okoman F.
Your friend me Ajakwa Mitela, across Masina Junction number 1. Now Kuma radio ni de pia yeti. Akuma radio we are number 1. Nyamisha.
Okay, I feel mine. Mom would share Abilokos, Captain Retire Bakope. Nana Jenya Rebel Brother She. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. Oma Jim Mantem when you now was so Paula Mantem, and so they almost significant for cry. For radio to Okoman Radio, Netsi and the Paniako Nieko. What I say?
Yeah, our friend of Kabnaboy, if you go with Bakope, Okoman Radio, 97.1, number 1. But radio at HHH, and I see the Duchem, Okoman Radio, and number 1, so you're bad, the number comes Ofie
me Adelaide Dubu, me war Parliament Sports. Mini Okoman Radio, the training. Me wireless the piano, po, a yo, and the phone, and Okoman. It is somewhere with your Okoman, so be a deal, what in some past Damase.
Yapo mabaso ni Jumapa, area boa, or mine Ghana, any of the mine thing in Yakina Kupon, Jumapa, Mama, one thing, and
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
Yapo mabaso ni Jumapa, area boa, or mine Ghana, any of the mine thing in Yakina Kupon, Jumapa, when you know Mama, one thing, and area boa, or mine Ghana.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
What
Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Yapo mabaso ni edumapa o eri abua Okoman Ghana kani Okoman singla
Okoman Radio.
Every
Okoman Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Welcome to Tuesday morning. Welcome to Tuesday morning.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
All right, so it's a Tuesday morning, 15th of November, 2022, just about 22 minutes after 8. Yeah, you better ready. That's all you're chilling the name Obini Ho. And I pay your fast that can say, Emmanuel Pons, one cost one way, so not the Pabia Chimino, your Tiasia, na Tachamada Bojunia Casadia, na Ayasedan Kia, and I pay Paquasia Corragement, any Quasi citizen, Sam Renti, Abasanda Roman, and ya better free so. No boy chidom. List of Kwame Henda Kosa for Mouth, D boy, and so Eguswa Ebu chidom. DJ Dozy, DJ Vibes, and DJs give me some right here. So Bomo Modi Bebre say on more air tight yachi. Now more technical egum day. And a payment Kofi Ansong Baffuor. Utimia or insurance and say be Dikomo Bebre. And rather any yanti say Suku for any teacher for you. Akushia. Nay Adisia. Any other echo kama. Na no other child right was there be teacher for no come fast on yintum on soso enti odoma kujina court and the Supreme Court and court batan and kasa so make sense intia sa ekuaku mi say Ghana National Association of Teachers NAT and Graduate Teachers Association and consent teachers em so me samohwe mami Sam Ranti odomo odo ma kujina court se enwuma koi emra na omeka ne yeye na omutim do mu enwuna de ahodo gu ho man kwada tempente kwa awofo ho fa wom na ene eno nkomo yebebo mu nkomo ne enya no nko yebesa bo e de apini yenua ba Portia Solomon Gabo ona enano ada memra dey sajofo kushia na anu ada nkrofo bi kushia ze akrofo dunso Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bob to say.
You are
guys look at ya. You can never be boss. Akrofo ko congress akrofo. Eja hwe akrofo dunso re kushia ku akrofo pani. Okay.
There's na sabre na yina ka hu no visa zeja. Na akrofo dunso na o ka hu ana.
Okoman Radio.
I'll grab you. I'll pass you to I come for doing so.
Okawana.
I'm going to go.
Really, say, young one, I'll go do some good.
I'm about to buy. I say, yeah, I come for doing so. What is something? Some
was older than boy. I was starting at the crowd who couldn't say. Oh, you better when the problem is I
am. The pressure no I'm no massa. And I say go na
for so here say da ko ba na do so chefo ko hia e atrofo no kokko sa fo ba ko hia ko yi atrofo no kokko sa ni pani
ode wa ko kama kaza mbe ba jai kama kaza ko yo hima pe o chefo be kaza kona ko jo ko tie
za ko fodu so ko fu pelele de aro bis ba kaza ene be de obi de kan yeso apo wo se search for tro ko sa na be tro ko sa ko wa na ebobo ko wa no mo ko yi openi na mzio yate ya meka bi abere wati bi enti ya no pe ye ne yenu ba Portia Solomon Gabo ebe kasa na ya hye ne kran ne yeso de hye hu kran ye bon pai se ho a mo ne nyima wunua ba ko na o kina wo so ni je ba ko eni agibia ma ebe de mu nkomo eno aso mampani etwe na ba na otwa soafo a owo presidency na oye Minister of Finance at the presidency era Charles Charles Adubo ahen otwa ne me say there be nema bi aba me saka no na ohwe na mampani ebe de akire na ase ne din abrant na twe ne din atwe ne din afa aboso into he no debi munyina immediately na metie obi an say Dr. Bomia me di me hia we say me pɛ me ho asɛm na anu ana me talk akoma alaji grusa keke adokra no metimi akyerem eze alaji grusa fulani no na se no na aware ne ayi Samiranti opeba sama ayi
alaji grusa ka na enye
and pa o to bas koma no ko am na bra kan friend doc padaroma no so mo hey me school me here bas sabi we asra me so masre me die kwa me tikita me tijame na e be hu na kwan nsuro yenim na kwan
na ne falaji kan di hu se bia no be bantem
chese ma ya ti ye ka ko si se ni nyina ho enkomo no ye be hwe what will happen is ibe hu na kwan ibe hu na kwan
yo where is our cracker they be fine
ente ni akoba ne se enei ye ne be din komo na ahwe kwame wa ma akire se omukura tumi ni mu se munyi ntin chen wodi bi ko kasa asem se sei ese me na agi sika bre me a mete ha mabusu afọ doso na mi nuanom ni ade kache bi mabusu asema betu anim ye de sede betu anim ya chose ye wo how the name Baumian unimi papa bra wo boy what do me who born dog
wana wo kraman
ti ni bufu ye pa na me hwe alaja ni bufu a na me di mani bua na wo se enya bete enti no ana mampani ye se da bi immediately you jina hen chopen na chiro korochegu paper so na ne sanka na me suma no ne na so ya nra video no kwame sika no sane ade a so say sika branch edi coin bibiam ko di business bi achi na edi sika be si obutwo se jina mza bi se me nya ade ne bi amenye o china ko kwame wo be kwaje wo yu die wo mafrim wo di akoye obi bi ehia na anko ye ni be yere wa Sabren o maame wase wo mba waso echa kwame wona yanka enti minim ne this is kan so dia koto ba bi dia dama bia special prosecutor ne be kama na dia ba hospital
ya special prosecutor kra ho no me ho asem kakra
adaya
sika no okay odi owie no
enti enye no nko kwame no kwase mo ne se kwame ye o mo yinedi no dama special prosecutor na no be say kwase peter
special prosecutor no asem no ontumi nka bi ene ne se na anas arem yaw anas amre arem yaw anas no na special prosecutor ene ne lawyer na me say emremu no say don't be fam say lawyer na me am konya asem a me ntumi nka bi bio
ye friend no Nimo Judas in Kosa Suya.
Judas ni Suya ba mu yeah.
Nimo Judas in Kosa Suya. A man can never be a judge in his own case.
A man can never be a judge
in his own case. And say okay, set aside. I brought this special prosecutor man. I'm so the new sa private name in Yagu form. And so in where free muda da I think say a can be so no. Kwame, your lawyer, my konye be a mampani and DBA bit my chime ho. I don't say untimi follow up front to our brabo so. Nti bra na minya onya position there na umrama kwan say otimi adwuma sa lawyer ni na odididi. Nti Sabra no ya na lawyer enei so onya prosecutor kwa afi betimi abawo.
Afi
unless say Anas that's one the chamber as be a Kisia Jabin chambers no me na dwuma dia na no de Nimo Judas in Kosa Suya. A man can never be a judge in his own case.
Bro, we have a chance na mesua.
E we ni Latin
okay Latin na twi nyina wo
oh sir Nimo Judas in Kosa Suya.
Nimo no kra na Ghana ha no kra so
Nimo Nimo
okay Nimo
Judas in Kosa. A man can never be a judge.
I always say,
my friend say natural justice.
You had no adwuma ho justice. Adwuma ho odin to benya bia. Obi nyiba bebre ho mo nya adwuma mo nyai ba ko mo bi nkobi. Nti we de omra ma kire say oja to wo ne anas tete mu. So otum ba kire say me na me nya adwuma man na anas bi o menya special prosecuting adwuma yi. E ja to wo na me anas nya adwuma bi o dia ene na kire e betumi na saa dia na kire say ontumi se ne o kire mu kire ye dia.
You be there say na you can them say very interesting. You be there na say special security ntimi ani e so a court ne ade wo ho. I no betumi asum na e dey akọ nti
ejisi ano ewura edubu ahen sisi o fie ana police for nsem ana say
Kwame we no I think say say o me say the criminal aspect of it or the civil aspect of it in terms in the coming days yen rabi sin because wa near the chesa nyebia no prosecutor invite no say na wo kan wo capacity it's prosecutor no capacity say utimi friend ana what is here the authority njebe hwe nyina na ye de Kwame me nsu enu achi nyema me ka bebre
oh the way as we no ana pa me da wa me tietie na mo say agwagwa say kwasi nyanta chi de ni bia so o kan say o mampanyin kra che ni kutokom
Kwame you see edu bia I so bia si oba no dwa nanum
oh ne de
uju onuma no ba say enumja Kwame ayi ebi so dia ba say anas ekwan ya ofasoye na adwuma no mani nyi ho Kwame yeti ha ne bia honorable bia ba na of course oh my dear mo badwuma enti bia monye Sabra ne bi obi teba bi no atwa ne boko na what voice atoso say bia mumu my dear say mo adwuma de e bia something monye we na e bia waka bibi na a voice over some person me think come na kasa on microphone di no enye voice no over no dey atoso no and after so isiden ka microphone ba ache muskada na no honorable can buy okwe money we na mo fanya
omo de na ya mo nyidu amanfo ma $200,000 ni adi mo de mo ba $100 kura nkeye omo ba oh $100 honorable meshak 100 honorable
na se no ko makatu ama na se no makatu ama
contract ba percentage na
ho do wadwe bu a obu nukwa ma menka no krenchro this for adwuma eden this adwuma no ebi to me baby na misua mu niam akwachi kwame ma kira say bibi na meni asafunu mu yenti na me yeseme kwa assemblyman kakra na this bi owo ebitifi hono abukwe chenze ba Kofi da me bia no this da homa to ko ji hu anim ko di assemblyman achi I say ukoku osoro na kodo kisi eche kobu na okwa na okrom for tutiawa party make say
okay okro assemblyman kra
okrom for kra yiwa mana this ni de ma o better achi to opa calculate we na emwa jaba bi enti ampa me na mse me ko gina mo na mse da bi krofo ye meto amane adi if you delegate o e be ya se na na da wo na kwam to fe we when oni ye ko gina ye sika ben ni ahoden ben ni ayi buku ben you ask for money as kwam to fe na ye pe no if you say
no boduma
kwam to fe e wo fufu no to ball e no twitwi e go as ono ade pe no ai de ono bu to fe timi tu ko ye me manager me presenter me so anya e what you say kum kazo you come for cry nyina ni temi gina nchen na me hu say o ye DC a akonta hu na nkrofo bu no hu sabre na DC for katia cry jama 3005 sabre kwazi ayi kwa me party no office no wona be say light kaniaka ebetua DC wasede wasede so be say ne ote ho no obe man akatua bosume party car e woka wona be to petrol agum esana na be ko maintenance DC no udisi krona party ni kwa ya eso pesi kom be bon sawa petrol no mbedi afi party fue ni oba se ne ba anya school boano ne yire nyem boano
ba ko bi se nese
ne kaka kutuma no na ni nyina mu no
da no disi te ya no wale ja ba ko bi se ja mte on ka cha na mese
na ni nyina no ba na ni nyina mu no na wakati ya bia 3005 sabre no bi be titititi no ohwe wase dia nso woni ade na omo so no mo se bu wa konta se project bia ba pa efo so age 10% project mo ho every region eba o dey so be supervise the report ako okay ebo every national na eba say president nua say ni sawo fa se ye na ko stresika wadwuma bo enti bo ho ma eje supervisory role ohwe keke se abedru omo ye no dey kono na mo keke enko fo so to obu wa konta se go teye ko die we da faje 10 apate boya enti party force we no san kontiba ni se kan ba so fie be ye o bro kwa
ona wa kire mu
di kontim ma ni ade be ba ebi be yaw kwa opa bisa na moyi for some time no katu akra ma yetimi mo ye adwuma na esgracia e mai na wasan eye second no ya na mai
1 year kwa
na mai enti obunu wakonta kwa tuni adwuma bi ka ho ana woni boafo bi oyiri bi ana kunu bi ana wofa bi ana party muni bi anso mu akitakita ne ba wate amana ibu wakonta hu kwa eden se kan konti baba so ba so kwa ya be bo akun medwo nam se hu nyame nko
okay and of take a nice decision atoro bi na kwa se me dem timi company ne ko ba bia atoro bi ko na hu line na wa wasan wa chi
me se ebi na aka so bi se ne se
obi
ne kaka
yes it is
obi ko baba kroba so na bo peme wa mana o man de bia da kro mana o ye nipa bone na ka o de sentrim so ye nipa bone kra nkeye odo be na ma se wudinya wa ye say otisa
o mutimi ka etele bi onya disi ne na ne didi na say de e na ne bo volley nipa na nyina be na
e de me no ka say o ma workshop o o ma workshop
okay
enti unima o so friend wa anfa unima o se na o you too know say workshop ko workshop chin bia me no ka say o twem no ko workshop
your friend no wan fa no dey say talk of the town your friend no wan fa your friend no wan fa your friend no wan fa
this any so no o yire no ma edin komo eni so bon pan this any say be o get president no ma me na obusu bi bia say this and these are the things now no can bet na so tie look me have to defend my cause because say me ko dwana me ko chance ko hwe nti yenti ase kakra ma wom anopa yema DC4 we important match honorable barima sedu labi WhatsApp on bema anopa yema ache mpo mteden WhatsApp ni akama omnya botre ma ba the boy so ba yema munye duru ha
no credit
ha ne be credit ama
na afi omo ba omo se wo nko ana ye nko yentumi no won cha de Adaman manager ko na ni nyina asa no. O kasa antenta mo ba.
Honorable Ken. What's on poem was. Tine de boy ka.
Am ba mo separation.
Akwa na otwa hwe ye no. Na omdi nsogu no ba ko mo na doko no. O to was mutine ba ko ne kasa. Mutine doko, mutine akwa ne.
David.
Tine de boy ka no honorable mutine.
Am ba. Mo nchem. General die ni, mo die ni.
Okay. Ne fenti.
Ebe kura mo ba mo ntro so. KB eno ano no.
I mean time the envelope mo bia na me yi pen asensan na chiba bia tumu no. Me the pen sensan ho a obie mu na aka ya ensi ani da. Na di ipa ho ayehu.
Na o ka semina me kai o se mo so no mo de ha mo. You were witness no mo de ha mo. No kwese mo wu se mbo mo mo de papa. Madam fo ba ko wo health insurance. Fi se ye share health insurance ase e go kapum no for ha. Isi na share ase na ye pedareta na yakofa wo baabi na beto na isi da so na nam ho. David the first you wani no and just a man post you enye. Enti e besere.
On ko bedi ni ye.
Yeah, abadi ni ye. I see bebe sinna ye have insurance e ba kapum no have insurance ye bo abemu presa ye nko. Isi na atwamfoni na mu fie frefre nkrofo ne ade na mu e ba se ye ko pepanyi dia. Na ko pepanyi wo baabi. Never 2 years so. Oh, nyina ya adwuma no de na mo me de mesre next time say ayi panyinie bi ba mama nhwe kire ayisi nya me ayisi my classmate my brother me bibia ayisi have insurance asam ni ka bi ma no na man post yes o you over the man post ya woni on to aba sebe on kan ana ya kwasa adwuma on kobi ana okobi enti no mo nhwe na panyini ye ne sama ye da mo ase papa fe disi for ne muso mo ba se medical aka no mesra mo ada ye wa ha gena anko ana yeso ye anko yentimi nko ebi ana osore ko meeting nti mo de mapa akwasi benkum ne ye gena de nifa no ye de ana de nyina tumi akonkan kama edi ama ye da mo ase ana pay so atrasi ibgwa de agumu na sa de nyina tumi akonkan
I mean we da na ye sorry to tell what I check no bra
ma check o hanu ma check o hanu na ayi wose ayi oman no nanafo efam no eno na yenhwe enum ayi se kusukuku no beginam kakra na fe bono esu beginam enti mo amo oman nanafo efam no na matumi ahwe mafade se mo fam ho se mo pue akoye munwuma so ne ade a ana fe ba bia eye kwa brentu ne mepo wo no so no bono beginam bono bejeja mo na bejeja mu ache kakra na fi yede ko oman no na tifi famu no nso eno so sa bono bejeja ho no mo na oman ni nyina no ye hwese ensuri begugu kakra de kopum se eye na nwumrem awia so bejeja mu kakra na mo awia na bejina so no enye tisenia enra eye enra na anu ye den pop we de bejina so kakra se na eye hambo no se na sebe wo mo ko bayi kania ne so no bejina so kakra na fi atumi agem na fi break no ano ebeye ni ho tisenia ekofam kakra na se pija ne ho mu enti ne anhwa ye nya nsuto ene anhwa ensu entonemu ebono ne kusukuku no na ebegina eso na if you want mo a se ne da bia o ye na de ni akire mu ewo ye enkran na yekodu nkran no a awiem hye ne beko eye aduonum eye enan na awiem na akogina eye aduasa na fi na nwumre no ade akogina eye aduonum eye enum na fi yetime ade akwakoda if you want mo na de ni wo che kofodua no ebono begina eye aduasia na fi awiem hye no akwa aduonum eye enum na fi na nwumre na wiem no akwaduasa ba ako na fi ode akwakoda eye aduonum eye enum ntene no saa na eye awiem ehye no eni susuye ne ba akogina na eye Kwaku Bedu Philip ono no de yeko eye ewiem yeko yese ni ewiem etie ene anopai
ya fast that can see Emma Elise Ayao Company Limited Omada Roman anopai yenya bi edia aye hu yie dia betena ha na bra wo yo hu yie na wo yane ne so no na wo hwe graphic ahodo ne art ne ade ne flowers e wo so na on se enedie ya bachiri papa na no na me catch o brodu ya de kwasimu ya nkwadan kitinkiti o ma hunu bibi na ba ku ne fa ne bomba latrin na o ka bomba o ko bomba na bomba china KVIP ba yero na bomba ro okay bomba latre na
ba ko mu yi wase no
bomba na chi no na KVP ba ya WC so abeje te sa ba bia ni yeji ani enti brodua no ne sa bodira no ye de fa nzoko no mamu ngune ni masa mamu nyesa enti yeji ya ko Felisa ya wa ba ne yaji atum ukwa fie mu a na Lisa ya oni mu a no mnya primafo ene die no kre ba ko pe na mnya primafo Lisa ya moto kama ba ko bi sai na wa for ye exams wi ani am akọ no so kaya no I colors blue green red okaya
o jado as a company no mo yo manwi
echu
sebi echu to a
obete enti Elisa ya da Roma awo ba omusa ekwapefo ye nie bie papa enye no ko take away o meye fried rice ne ba ko ne kwesi to no wa himfie ni mama ayi Indomie no eno so omunyina square one ye bi kama na kwesi ko to bi o se bi ma ayi mame oyema ayi wie o se pa cho Elisa ya na hye hona na mamre ya ene Elisa ya imposement kwesi se ye disa ne Elisa ya no so fensa ho na mini ayi na ne ma ko kama ayi enti enye no nko round one bi aba fie sisi oba ha ye kitchen ne offices ni ade wo ye bibi kakra na immediately na waye na ene odi esi wo round one otwene sa no ate na eno so cheso ye premier ni o dining table o bedroom baby otwi osi ni ade no washroom nyina na bisi ho na ekọ kama ade am Elisa ya odru krondi se kwa so a ene who said the bricks as a company fe and pay a ho any di one dance the amount no so what cutting and answer paper sir fa mo me de phone ko nhye phone mo phone nyi chinchin na o ye beji dia ko ekusia crate o me ye car spray ni ade no me sra mo pa mani hyebre san se ene ye de kwa ekusia crate ye nkwachiri ye di bia nwuma mama bo nya bia ye Lisa ya no pa ye fa zake siema professor oboku bensin ne dom odwen yan ko fa we edibaye 0244 403090 0244 403090 na ni panini komo ne omra meka bibia ntuma kama na kwame ya ne chesa du boy sika ya ayese obofo bi okoro ko sa achire ne ma bi no
se we ni nye cedi ni de
dollars
cedi ni de hu kra enya ohwe na dollar no ahoden wo ya ja dollar nko na sika so bi obi ma obi a na won sesan ya unye sika fufuro bi anka ho
kwame da be me ba wo
nti odi ahoden
ba che wo nti sika no de coin the right president say ni say ni wan fa mre no
we no unya ne sa no a wadwen ye oyi bi odi akoto dan wo abrocha na bibi sa na obeto ka fufuro na say unje we mu sa no omo ta wo investment enti bi odi akohyem so papa isika waji ni na
bia o akworunkua bia waje ka na ama no
nso gas biblia na nse mu yen no biblia na ye mpanyefo yi ko ya so nyokura yi so man $500 kura omu yes omu yeah
em say ye ne empani ahihye Farouk Awahab security expert and international relations expert Sanya ma we reps and sanya bia no security samuno we na ma security expose ana na mampani abedi akire odini din ba mu no na president akire se mampani hye ne kotokum ye bia ni umiana ena na no so chance ya de alaji na ebusu afo bebre komuni ade so mo
sika na ye de na
so bag na chire kakra but in all no ye ne enfrefobedi komo say international community how they perceive us now no that sense kagu ka mu ni bag mu any Brazil no one they say nearby yes san yes say suko IMF corporate na yes say go bag mu hay enye bia no mancrofo hu yen say it be komo presidency won so no enye bia ye nia corruption ni ade sin ka ko yi ati say alaji bo mi aye ntem abeyi na ho so debi e fa fini ka me na me wo botesi mani so na ma bia me nyan pipi franka na metu ko fa niema bebe gu mu fi what is ka bra me
aya some say we no 2018 2018 aya sa bra na ye campaign no yes sir and na sika bia na beko campaign mu ana
it is yes one crop special prosecutor coach him na yene lawyer phones be din comot anya bia yewura ajaben kise ajaben no is there any nimo Judas in Kosasua Arena na natural justice
Kosasua na me kai
natural justice no Arena na bi di komo na yawe ni gina bre
na sika no ya o ntumi kan je se dollar no bia twagumu die ni bia na ye fake ana
no die em se da ma bia ni anaze ko funi di mu komo e be hu yenua Charles Bisiu
ya
Charles Bisiu so ne die bai so je kakra
Charles Bisiu sa
enti so ne die o video nim anya no ko
Osa we mbio
Galamsey no o say interministerial committee no
okay
in charge of mine any other no oye penny ho
no pampa
and brand team so reception ni soldier for police for bi ehun wom and brand team bi on so chese money bi na ske buafo on the chairman dey kwame chese you do ni pesi wo so onye dwuma mo ban ho o man no ban em say onya kra ton man no enti ya dwanyina yen sika ya hunim ya ton awu
ambo
na bible nsem okabia
no no
kware ene hwene nipa enya na no pani bi tumi fu was Kofi ade hu wi ase pa nipa wanya sika na ehia no wanya sika pe na ehia no ne hu yehu sanse kwebe fo so be senya sika dia dodie na ho han no kwebe fo so be
obenya obeye
na oko tasty luxury when we young timi free on si mafo e me kan ho ha nti wo hwe ne ma ekoso ya Niema, it doesn't speak all of us as a people. Our conscience, our integrity, and our honesty, and kwame area ho. Si bibia isika no beach say mami sikano na de mami company ni din na me mfrɛ niema badge ene badge ado boka ni ma na ma betimi atwam afi be protect you. Sakofu we nyom be ko je o so m ko je.
Aya omunyina
abana fa omo akade mobile phones no many they go tell you and car or they call any fuel in your mind na say o sand your manufacturer says what untimi nya usimi ntimi nye ya mo to ye hu na aji tum so be na do manufacturer says what sabe mampani wa ba ko ni sentimi kataba nyankopon ni to be famo samo mo ano nti mo amode bo mampani ni ya ka hamane so ne yenua Farouk ni komo Farouk our hub international relations and security aspect and pay sakane ni bedi komo e dia fa sansema etwagui bebia Ghana gina no enye na we no beka ho a efini kekawa na daro mo hu ne sen yera Farouk and party enka Okoman radio yama wachi
bacha mi demoso
yo na po mo today
akwa na media chen ye hu ye moso so e
ho adom ye so ye ti ase ye hu ye opani wudi no kasa na ekuma to yem sanse utuma bobe eba ahobammo ene se ne ama horo edi nsam fa wabi mupa security and international relations wadaruma enwa na yenua ana asentwerefo a wode ne dom timi ye hwehwemu a bia kata hye ne proye dream sakadre eni ade wo no wode foforo aba o se Galamsey economy o se economy ayete hu ayese ne nkrofo asase agudie a omotunu basabasa no ayedeja ampani apa ode ba en video no wacho udo ani ade akire watimi ahwe bi.
The unfortunate thing is that in a television. It can't be more than it. Maybe to grab me.
Why is me? This will be no share.
TV and via born a transaction, but ordinarily, come to home TV as a mini program via television. So,
and I said, any man see corner where now the papa catcher, mammy say. Ne mami so nkrofo ye ododo omo ye ododo was mami me hwe dum television no boso so ametu aka o he ne ne ma ekoso no a oni obehu no TV entina ma o he TV na
okay, one I have it has to do with the content in yama na ye no na kan say a full template winning the eba a compass a political programmer and content ni nya balance ntinye de nya de ni say you prefer two political opponents, say MPP and GC, these are predominantly women about not a brass, over argument. You never get one. Or better said, where they discuss about national issue and I'm putting national interest first. And where there I am a party, yeah, and yet, and as where there, you're trying to create to say, you never hear that. And then another other and say, Obia defended my side. Obia nye wrong with that. Now, fair no unnecessary comparisons and equalization. Okay, yeah, and you say, and I'm here saying, Uta, yeah, now I too predictive, especially personalities in where they never tell one person baby, yeah, that was so. And why would you bother your precious time? Say, those are the basis. A entertainment now. Those kind of entertainment programs are nanka you who first no so problem kasaba and the segment I am very distorted and we need something that glues you to television. To me it's a be call for a TV attention. In most cases, it will be more or less a year football. Either than that, I'm a handicap or television programs. Content in them and say, I drive on Yamen, Kunipa may be a cycle my way from interest in watching television because who would you watch it? What do I say? ABB.
Now, Farouk, you can say, oh dear, you know, your interviewer, a bin and a we have a content some day, a better from what can same year, but only to Musa Abia regulators in the SABia National Media Commission, no many a day, and a judge, Sanya Woken Yahu, Uberhana, Aquabi Biohosa, communal and social programs, I say a month for her, baby, ball and assume her name call a to do. Mokol how her ball is soon hold themselves into cameras.
No. Obia, that's interest. Obia, you can see market in Chawano. Who do can see marketer? A market, ya 20 Yatron, Yamwa watch it, Yaton. They say market, the ball and this one, and Kama Wugum, and Kama Omo, Omusoma, Egu ball and then you have who are called inspectors. You were AM for Ejina. All their biggest interest in say cars, truck, driver and parking, and one is the biggest interest. So look at that and look at this from that point. Say, into your power, your interest these are the only things. Say yes, stop driver, CX driver, CAC, and Nana, the dear you now what to her, into many papa can say no. What layer to one year did you? It's the same thing. And your friend is saying, when you first I call Buma. And can somebody be said regulator? Do we have compliance? No. You have regulators? No. What are we seeing? Police report in a home, almost so say arrest. Almost trotro. EMF watch trotro license. Almost we see nobody cares about the health. No man not ball and what you must put Biania Ombeto Biania Nopa, Avia, or no Muya no Trogusu. Yeah, Obi 24 hours, or the idea Katani is not. Nobody cares. It's such a program because radio station and television stations. So almost zoom on and highlight the Sanya Mana. It brings two things. One, Nipana or Tonga Sadia, or no Kasa will be video 22. Two, authorities involved. So you pay share, but Nahim Fana. You see, Medina is not different. Tanesi is not different. Baby Biabeko Bia Bolenye in Penny Giannini. What country does that? And so primarily MPP campaign, DC campaign, Obia City Accra, Ghanaian cities, Yamani 2 weeks, about wiping now. To the sense that the pavement roads are car in Yakwa Emfa. I'm a nipa that say near to my vote. So or the turn there. Now pushes a walk over. Wakashi or Sawumi Kiboya, Yan Tuaba. Not pavement road that we penya bedroom fan. They have turned the whole pavement road into shopping malls. Nobody has any right to talk. And we are very silent, very peaceful, very okay with it.
Farouk, Asama Wukano, Udia Uwani, Missumi Wani, Ebinuni, Nano, make committee being crying. Radio station be na make sure say it run pa munyina a beautiful space in the morning show space Morning show space no nipa bi at the kind Astampo authority over there. Other than no pan munya bibi a mild obi a won pe gidigidi no entie no na nwumre mu no mo the cameras any ade make sure am say hwe baby say una mon kran yefa bi say rage o free Flagstaff House air banner opening obe won say kwan no middle no I this street light as no e won nyina fu na so who is in charge of Accra? Put him on the spot and ask him what is he doing. He's drawing salary for nothing. On any staff, Amy, mayor, or and you people are quiet senior working and Obia Nanamo, Mampani Quajuma, on Namubi. At Mampani Abedi Quajuma, on Namubi. So are they not seeing it?
Papa,
the ministers, are they not seeing it?
And then Ghana road side. Don't crapa, Guka, one yet for the car, the same pass. And queer good question. One getting careful pet with the car before passo. Nobody had ever taken the trouble class and no. And queer crown almost to crack or with the same. And then you get woman. And then in the air, what is really the case? Papa, nobody, American for excuse me, nobody fucking care. And queer and no bar. Can I say, oh my sabi, almost to say disabled, almost. You Oma you Papa Nasa, Meka, a Highlander, I was so hiker. Yamin Kwa send that traffic, you know, Wabe Sassy.
Hey, Kofasa my bro.
Now, girls be a general team, or not so share different person, or this car on 1 2 3 say your side, you know, the light is not on. If you are not busy or no so biscuit on the other side, bro. Say again now shout say papa obi shout here.
Kofi Ansong Baffuor.
What the am me cry because na you cry me you know can cry at the pole ne wheeler no. All these things you know you begin to wonder. So bit ni ko no organizing cry. Na o mo eden akọ about 10 years. No mu kura o pushi a disabled from anopa up to enyumre. What a you don't know. If we really have a country and we call it authority, we have a country that we call it is so amazing. So amazing.
But Farouk, only nisa ya nyina ye sika. Entra ne obisa Charles Bisu. So we video na make sure mu kakra. We video na send ye ne interministerial committee on mining na mampani di si wose da bi. Yenye na yen tu galamse yase na enema nkofo mo ene ensas no ye nchirima dia. Na no ada okakasa ye na minister Sabre Amewu Peter John Amewu ono na ye last minister no so aso na interministerial committee yaba Charles Bisu ono ne secretary na weni na her reception hon kwada wo prosi force ojafo egisika me sika na me company ni din wo de be protect am me de be koma pani we me de be koma pani sa eni nyina na mu na no ada Yewura Charles or they say ayi adubo ahin Charles adubo ahin mampani afan so swafo your minister of finance no ho and one deputy ewo ho and your deputy the komia mienu John Kuma and your nuaba abeno asare and asanfa Yewura Charles adubo ahin so no minister of state at the finance ministry ni ade enti say o no the Alhaji Dr. Baumia edin akose wo ma miska kakra be $200 the command a bibia be kama wo investor na wo ba so hunu no na ma no bibi kakra ni ade na busu $4 ni nua no mo bibi be chem no am mistakes ni ade tinrada mse Ghana fa pepra MPs ni ade yenyino mampani yehunu ya so de le ayaba communication aba yugia hin sashase wo so wayino na nsem aba ne announce video bi ohwe ye no abranche ne sem fata afedo we take Ghana for asem onko tene free na osa call special prosecutor na omukodi na asem san say won say dwiri mu die bi akoso video ni ba ye na enso yehunu ye no na no pana me ka chom say ebia ne mampani ehunu no yehunu ye ntina bia wa ye saade no na yehuza Alhaji Baumia so de ne social media handle try say ontimi mane tson momo fani di nyesa woni mo hwe abrante ko fa free mekeka no immediately omunyi no ampani apa wayi no ama no video nso ba ne nso $60 na odi grow back black polythene bag odi gum enema we nyina Yewura Farouk enye sika na ama ya dwan ye sa na hu ne sen.
Okay, one sika one, that is the core, but then it's also the brothers and my friend said gross misconduct and indiscipline. gross misconduct and indiscipline error a country the most worst part of it all. Because indiscipline originates from one fact me yakwana bibiba ye nyamehwe. Do you understand me? One, president se announce ye video any na a government officials one. As you and I know, Odikama a teaser window view of the government that it affects. Na abani se kokoye anase kuyi. But I can tell you from where I am here, and he said, me, I have my reservations. I've told Anas before with some of his products. So who ye adiano? Papa, you shouldn't. So who no more cover, which I do know, Sir Anas. Following the judge for the issue, no, Supreme Court, Emma Anas, protection and a cover. Say yeah, a man for ultimate grante crime and say, Obi Baba cancer a entrapment. The Supreme Court kicked against that, making references to cases via now a war Ireland. Now you got all this protection, and now got the protection to protect. Say his face will not be unveiled, even at the law court, but rather no obey them. The neighbor call your friend is saying in camera. Now Anas was granted even Krano or in the GIJ in the graduation. He was the only student of his batch at that time now. Chief Justice then and Anas. They also in personally in the office. So why would you first and foremost, if we have all this protection now, and we have class or the back because we're talking about Abrofonia. You have a British or Irish journalist. Why here in a documentary, undercover security documentary, FBI 4 years, CIA 4 years. Okay, now FBI 4 years, yeah. Or saying the American compare Donald Trump and I'm compare Joe Biden. Now the NFA government officials in behind. Now Joe Richard and San Makwaku. Where does that happen? It's no problem with how Anas goes about some of these things because one, the authentic organic one ebebano. Listen to me carefully. Ebebano. Edu so bejiwa no majibiafi. Ayi case customs for case ya ekosi ewo wenchi so obeka echi emu ho customs for ne
yo
omiye koko ni the fertilizer no.
Yo, not almost smuggle no yo.
Yes, a lot of them. Their part did not come again. Why did it go? A been a day MSWale issue as so by because that time when they went to court at the time of Supreme Court, you know, the boy Anas used to bail 3 people, including him. No, my 3. So you can't tell who he is because we are almost the same height. Now, no. When they had the case, a court Supreme Court at the time, no, those 2 boys are not on which MSWale was part. Their face were unveiled. And to the judges, no request say a protection for them. Say why would they? As Omde Alas, at the subways, will open home up. So the judges even asked. Say, on your day. He cannot unveil the rest and then veil himself. And to next time, because that time the boys were already out of the bag. People have seen their cases already. And see, this particular one, me before in the Viano, not Unyan, make I say, the big noise that Anas has made about it, we wouldn't expect anything different. But if anybody was expecting this documentary, I'm told it was about 45 minutes. I'm told, so you can purely say, yes, there was a target. Yes, the target was that particular gentleman, who, I'm sorry, at that stage, I will name the issue of Akwesi Nyantakyi and how the whole modus of Akwesi Nyantakyi, the same Dubai, the same sheikh, the same money on the table, the same polythene bag. Oh, God of mercy. Somebody that who at the position of Minister of State, in any case, that Minister of State, a bogus ministerial portfolio. And all the Ghanaian governments, under the cover, under the height, under the cover of constitution, are appointed. Who is the Minister of State? You have a deputy, ministry beyond with deputies, in the case of finance, who are budget. And your friend is saying, whatever, when I was economic, and economic planning, finance, economic planning, and budget. Now, as I call for Minister of State, besides the Minister of State, who overrides who and who reports to who, and what is his job as compared to the deputies? And it's not going. It's what you're not redundant, no Jumabia, Papa. It just explains some of the things in Omoye. Now, do you think that ordinarily, Obibetima sorry from the ministry? Now, I'm also so Dubai. So, I could negotiate for the meeting of an investor with the president, a vice president. Now, means that said, all question vice president now ordered $200,000. Is it a World Bank sponsored project as Kadahun and then in Parliament the contract? In the contract now, no, that contract, we hear that that contract was in discussion. It was the purpose of coming to see the president, a vice president. That was where the stupidity also lies. Baba, I've been operating on the corridor of power, not in Ghana only, several countries. And these things, we know how it plays in. Abambi by Abitremko, Eden PPNDC. Na enkofobi fi Singapore. And woman say, Ghana, your income I make Asia. Your good ocean, your species, your fish near there. Na aqua tourism, and Singapore, there ye. Oma a tube, Asian ocean, you and Oma fish is a goon. And who could share a yinua, who could share tube numa, now we'll share underground, the base, the bed of the sea. Now we'll share one and now we Utieska, we know about $100. Because baby, I bet you, baby, I bet she's slick, and Yamabas in Tombe Biwaha. You do mobile room her. You wouldn't like to know. You call the then vice president office. You call vice president office. No, I may appoint them more than 4 times. You peer for no. Welcome so, the shadow. You are in shadow. You but say one day and a peer frame me. Mobetimaba. It was a day before some conforno beko after wasting so much time. Sebra, your choir. Now Parliament was in session. So the vice president office Lankasano, na television, or TV home, Yachiano, or the TV no bonitinko. I radios in the coming to any man come here actual. Sit down, or then inside left. Sit down. None a party member in a floor, a debate an issue. Make an issue could be who president for vice president in Conti. Van say, Sir Vice President, say MPP and NDC, one Chelsea. Sit down, sit down. But what I say?
You.
Yes. I said there, yet to her. Oh, I know I was in it. Said the footballer, who said you na walk ahead the ball. Papa, yet now 45 minutes. My fairing call for the no abeshuin, no abeshuin. In the end, Vice President Peja no say, young call a ye, and the special assistant, and I say, the piano, and Fianco, on Fianco ministry, ministry and eco fisheries. Of our paper, keep to every not tray, Uncle, when you get there, tell her to call me. No. Your name is PNA Bano. A small no back catcher may our have say. As an air banity and Timan finds up old man, Kranana, Nanianye, na thank you, Tim Divinam, Papa, wouldn't be. I'm very sorry. We don't do that. They are bringing full sponsorship program. Our woman is sponsor from A to Z. Now, my BOT, they will build, operate, management, and transfer. From the Amagana, near Jessica, saying there. Now, Labadi Beach Hotel and Nipako, if Fina Omutum, Eco Dry Monday, is holidays, a Hoya Mama, with the Minister of Tourism, Scassa and the Coho. So they were going to use that thing around the area. And abrofo de call back. And say, and I would say in very recent time dia enche bia me ankasa me de abrofo bi be krom ha a almost say almost be here sector ni ba ko me mo sector ni din na oma be ye dey kura project and kura a bond from Genesis family in Kentucky, United States, verifiable bond that our American government site $10 billion. Only American Italian company, American Italian no leading a friend Betty, and American do holding a papa interest, Emma Genesis family, a friend Greg, any pa 4 others, and 2 Ukrainians. Yeba minister who Krumha. Project Ghana government MPP, NDC, MPP, and the campaign. Sa project, cannot make my end times 3. And I'm referring to the Eastern Corridor. Times 3. Papa, your ministry, and my time, time 1, time 2, full fly by Ombeda Labadi Beach Hotel for more than 6-7 days. Yakwani share minister the deputy. One day on my appointment, your corporate from an upper 2, a year 2. Minister and secretary to Omapon, ministry in your beer the deputy appear, minister, or president, or Abuni president Biaho. Meba, the yese, or the hotel crown originally. Oba ministry or now about 7 o'clock. After waiting, I brought Fuya Roman Pabwa, Ubiaro make clam to me say, said my Roman Papa, my bread. Abopon said they have to leave the next day. After 1 week, this is not normal. You discuss about the project in Amamu. Near ran it to say the China for running railways would be
BOT, yes.
BOT.
Build, operate, and transfer, yeah.
You build, operate, manage, and transfer. So they were doing the 4. Because the money were for management now, so they were building, operate, manage, and transfer.
Wow.
Papa, Minister but transfer in the deputy after waiting 5 to 6 hours. Or transfer, Moses saying, presentation, scanner, away. Yes, master. Do you expect them to hold the bond in cash? This is the back cash. HSBC Switzerland, Omnabama disbursement of the cash. Bond, for 10 years. And don't be our project, bit my bad 3. Go out of the eastern corridor, go out the western corridor, and go out the southern corridor. Omit my enemy now. Abra bond and necessarily need 3 years. After the minister says, yes, you people should know somebody brought me here. And so many brought from use you. And we have a party. And it is normal. Your consultant is a Ghanaian, you're supposed to understand. When we do a project, at least 10% has to go to the party for refinancing the party's campaign, and then we stay in power. And if you have your program, because we'll still be in power, we're supposed to be in power, then we can protect you and you complete your project. Else, if we are not there, maybe they will stop you. Loosely. I can do it. I can sign, no problem. Directors, technical people, we've seen your technical drawings. Yentia $2 million.
And to answer
$2 million. Yentia. And I can prepare everything. We'll sign it tomorrow. And Abunini say, $2 million, what does it represent? And I'll say, no, you Americans, see how you call it lobbying. But if it is African, you call it corruption, you call it a bribe. It's not bribe. We are calling it, you bring it, we support the party in power. I want them who say Bruni back, American boy, 38-year-old boy. Because no papa bond, no. Now boy no uniform. So I realized that the boy wanted to record him. Now boy no uniform. Now me shano. And all day, the handkerchief, and in the jot pad, and in the jot in the yidika home. And I'm here say what setting or the actual. Because American company, they have a law called FCPA, Foreign Corrupt Practice Authority. Me no can say you are ready. So American company pay free outside the America. No third world country. Oko Europe they don't care. Oko third world country, poor nation. No pack a contract. In America for road construction wahano. Only road check most of the countries in the world. America building contract because the Chinese UK Russia for Brazil for between do not pay a dime. We are almost Thanksgiving. And they are statutory through their embassy. Now they so me no my. But say oba bede giseno they don't. UK does the same thing. The British company be no kroma why major project. That is the deal. After there, Papa said $2 million. Now Greg in saw interview mo busan question. So when we give you the 2 million, are you going to give us a receipt? Or then also, no, we don't give receipt. No, so how would that appear in our books? Because your bank will draw down from Switzerland. We have to notify American government what we are doing with the bond so that they will not see, say, they sponsor military operation and I say, and Yamaniama. Nina, say, Kasa, me bomb any about 30
Akweso report, Eric
or according to you, Nana, or say, we are sorry, I don't think my father will agree to this arrangement. And I bet in Italian, no. So no matter on the or say we will find a better word around it. And Greg said no, there's no better word. He says that we should pay 2 million to support party activities. We are not here because of that. The minister answered, I'm sorry, if you people are not prepared to do that, I can't grant you the contract. And now I know say contract in here. Now you see for my airban. And I almost started started say, is that how you do in this country?
That's what
you have a long way to go. See how any didn't come up. Yeah, but also, you know what? Because of some of these things, I recorded him so that in the future we will not have a problem. Now, so recording nothing. And one who said no. I could bet my kwame CNN for play because that family is one of the richest in America, Genesis family. And the son there, then who did Yamema Minyansa? And I'm catching Betty no. Betty is about 68, 70-year-old man. John and Ephraim. That's Betty. When you go to ministers, how he made mention, said, your ministers even talk loose without thinking of if anybody can record them. And I'm catching, you know what? They talk loose, and now he talked loose, no. It does not mean, say, we need to be a bit my record, no. But what you do is, say, Oba, now, one year, Kasa, and what Bama Immigration Intelligence. And this we invest and on behalf of discussion number conclude Udu airport departure immigration for intelligence or by interceptor no mako share where you muchwa over them and Italian Italy no better CS e bia to colleague bi wa Rwanda da or be BBC na minister no or record we nti omuche the airport e kwa na kwanika say am say Greg, did you do that? Udu o mecho or mount just like that. Yeah, in TS Canada, they know what to do. Awana, oyi, a unibuy, papa, and you delete here. Nana, Shenum Guasian to say. 10 minutes, I make a cry and agents when your president to bid you. And non chain. You were penning to a government sector, transportation sector. Our government sector be an agency, be a Sabi, Omieska, Koreans, Ebe Krumha. So when they Uton buses in a European version of the Uton, and no the Babaha. Almost be injected $10 million. No my almost 200 buses. Oma Baba Maniji, dome drivers, maintenance agreement, repairs, BBA account. Bra, Abrofemi no mo yes any consultant Oba Efi Holland. Yemi ne Juma. Send now day, monitors, conductors, engineers. Any financial controllers, Papa, Omo Kroma 10 days, no minim. Sorry, no pa. No maba VIP, no maba bus, no the core paga, no maba bus, maybe the core entry, baby I may gun and you go, no me the big core lubo. Oma year research, we see video impressions, I was shocked. And who some say passengers a walk home. Ombeti kwa could do Nigeria because Sebi. Ghana or properties for Nigeria, state transport. I mentioned the name. State transport for there. Omo, your friends, a loading station of Cote d'Ivoire zone catch. Omo Burkina. Omo Mali. Those days, Bamako.
STC.
STC. Omo connected the whole region. I international hub. I do Lagos. In full Lagos, I be transit. To go back, na dey fit to go back Ghana ni jina ho. Dey ko Benin jina, dey ko Niger jina ho. Who could do Burkina, they call Mali, only they are connecting to air flight tickets in Africa, West Africa, Breno, Omba catching down. They are putting their money, $1 them. Adana a year for an make one name, Yabako, Deputy Finance, Omina by my office, and a deputy, a chief executive, also by my office, but you have more time in the more date with my bank, and it could be any of the two governments.
Year BITS
so no education nti yanko court ho baba nkɔfoɔ bɛgyina ma office ma yɛ nyinaa yɛbɛkɔ no ɛna broni no yɛfa mbɔnean ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ ɔmo team Okroma he wants them to join am si team ne baada bɛyi ɔno ara ne visa yɛ ne yɛ visa on arrival through the yi na ɔno no team ɔne team baado so they been here for about 10-15 or 30 so or say no ma be 15 working days and they will come and show the impressions listen sɛ ɔmo ne ne change mo hwɛ ne de minim hwɛ ɛna ɔso ɔmo bɛba ɛna yɛma ava yɛhɔ ana yɛarrange na car ba ne nyinaa free me office ɛde kɔ STC yɛkɔhyia the so-called chief executive bra Maria Hussein you as a facilitator agent consultant the 3% 3.5 mene ayini ba let them and san we are facilitation in yamanyama nketenkete anu zuwom bra yɛkɔ akonya no kwa papa na mebi arrogant level mi hu bi da mi wi ase ye gina ho na broni say untu ye nipa 8 technical team ye flash 2 kra mom ngira abonten o me akonya na gina ho also my room has only 3 seats so who wants to sit you can sit the rest can stand one Korean in say but can't you let them organize you know we are coming here can't they bring chairs any small chair we can't stand and have this discussion or after what's in sir was yes I have your letters I have the correspondence you say I have $10 million to inject where is the money papa I was stunned where is the money Anna Omakanta Financial System. So, do you expect us to hold the money 10 million bring to your office? How can you bring that money? We are not bringing 10 million cash. We are bringing 10 million injection, investment injection. And some of the 10 million, we are bringing 200 vehicles. Modern day, state of the art. You be training drivers. We have training school. You be maintenance unit. You be training. You be servicing. And some you training conductors. You start the build transit hubs. So the 10 million is what we go in for. We are not giving you. Near no my BOMT. Now management in quite the Dumbabamia training management, And it was a short period of about 10 years. BOMT. Papa, Obia Obokina no bagano in here plane. Obaban easy. Or say, the first canama, we are bringing the money to his office. And he, young Kwani prepare ye. Now how we want to approach the sector. Some way it makes sense, bro.
For hard cash in the office.
Where they announce the and organic issue, then authentic. Yes, Papa name munanim them yase a record now or say, yeah, then. And look at the not backwards or camera or this or yeah, sell for investments purpose sake. And you know, they no record proceedings, One opposed to cry. All 10 million, do a Musasa bribe or for 10 million man office and Sanya Kasa. Do any video because Bomiano, the Papan was 7,000 of that buses. You turn on a vice chairman. And you know they back. Madame from the Dinoco not to say program and Karawan, Omen a year for your friend is saying Papua New Guinea, any Fiji. The same guy, Medinico Hokram and could apply. You understand me? Yeah, Papa. Your politicians and the guys were going to create as much as almost 1,000 workers. 1,000 workers, no here 500 drivers, 250 here, 250 there. Almost to the state level, top class, and some normal maintenance unit, Accra, Kumasi, and the Tamale Hub for that stretch. No matter about maintenance in Sunquan, Ombefe Nipabe 67 or 77. Only in a presentation, and I'm no DTA. And see, sa issue, Mr. Bisu, a business class ticket. Now, Kotina, Dubai, near Duko shed them. Now, me maybe as a scan, your money the buyer, and I say scan away. Sir, ye in a dinner scan on the Abras will be this canon. Now, anas, that portion of it now, scan is a good polting bag demand on. They said, Romeo Cosian taking. Oh, man, discount by Anas Romuji. There's so many discount Koya. Whose money was that? Was that for Anas? Anas said, was that for the Abrofonu home this stage? Anas said, and Nipa Bimu Krumha. And then Anas Albenji and Nomkoye. Baba, we know what is called security. Because says you can only support the bag demand. And it is assumed, say, or discount Koy. So the reality is, either say, papa no make them be a scan wo say obu home the mount udu Dubai airport ne be o ma block no ma scan and you say I'm blocking no this can buy there who has lost his money here has Anas got that 200,000 to give away just to purposely to record somebody and show on national TV is answer the question I'm say or hinana ubu sa mama na say or this kind of man and a trigger and who's no ye teaser premier no a trigger for that particular person says he can ojiri say Arab ni o tin baby a wonu nkan bi shemu uko use no as a conduit uko use no as a friend is an agent na mo de be trick obi ana say mo de be second of business
entrapment
crowd there in the Ghana law no Supreme Court for question the data in the same scenarios of Alas said there's nothing called entrapment. A means and the mode or the information or GVNS is against the state. There's nothing. Tina, Omukori enforce Whistleblowers Act, a woman, entrapment free so that they can protect the journalist. Entrapment be any kuma. Some lawyers in Kuya and ask no judges in Indiana. Supreme Court for Kiku said they were judges, High Court and Appeal Court judges. And to they defend the women lawyers who come in Akugu Court. Supreme Court blashes case. Any entrapment be our. And to me, question is that says you got 200,000 a demand. A papa is says no no share. And they are come vice president. Most much it is care reporting back more the amount. And the kind of vice president when you 200,000 years second. Papa then also what if you didn't zika. Yes, I'll go special prosecutor as well. Special prosecutor will not see daylight. And then I'm a bebaho.
I didn't hear.
A charge and bail. Charge and bail, he said. Boy, no, a minister, no. We need Godfather. He was only saved by the bell, said. Nado Danko Kufuor, the president. On any papa, they were fine. And it is any papa knew what. Na, your man bibia, wamano. Job for the family.
And I read say papa ne Professor Dubois here.
Yes.
Okay.
Nepa Jordi as well. Ebi so na Sabi, His Excellency Vice President Mumni Baumia, on so ne papa ebeye year, your friend no be vice. Post independence 1957. Oma bedi ade omi na papa babem anane na no papa babem and then they are home. So the country doesn't go. Now no Sankabia ne papa ne tiasia. This case wouldn't come because there are a lot of issues, a lot of recordings, a lot of programs that Anasaya state different in some Tianica. I'm telling you. State paying off.
Me ati say ebi crack kase the betray one can year with me no year free.
Papa, and I'm just organic product and doesn't come out. Now when team premiere this particular noise now compare 2018 videos from Fabrication. When team premiere ya bepa ade ahwe the galamsey economy na nke pese hu niam akese. The whole thing announced show you no. Tell me one single thing apart from we now the purpose said di. And what does it mean? What it means that Sir President catch me say that Minister of State at the Economic Department, Sir Minister of State, why employ will be a BMDR? I believe the audio, I believe the video. Say yeah, employ will be a Minister of State there. Then I can also say a certain cover are taking place. Meaning say a bimuso per se gentleman who feel post so. Na a bimunya kwambe web. Yet me consolidate against. Yet me year near me. Because and yes sir, certain leakage, any problems be better my back. I'm speaking in terms of security.
Enti wo hwa ebi kra say wo hwe nkomo ne nkrofo ne bona enkomo ne ma ayana or the voice over na or the akasa am person mo tin nkomo ne nkrofo ne die na kasa.
And then America show say they use him and he was not smart enough because the origination baby akon baby care fiaba I baby can invite you say your person ko vice president and this conversation is starting and on there so yes smart. Some of them business class ticket, and how nice or yes, man. Already, President is sorry. Ain't Casa Magi a Dubois here. Abra, the premises here and the genesis of the case is that your pursue ye or ne.
Cousin, a year for that, you.
Yes, only a dinner and poor sector. And don't be any emperor sector. President cannot on his own in Soriano Passe Nayi adubu ahiyadi.
Amana communiano.
Aha, great suspicion beba ho. Never property can hear you at the Papa. What you put this video, I'm saying is I don't trust it today. I don't trust it tomorrow. I have my strongest suspicion and I have my strongest doubt.
Osha boy has been thrown under the bus. He has been sacrificed,
because he has been sacrificed. Because I'm sorry to say, sir, he ability no chipu. It is about that. That is the word. You don't need to say, sir. You can say, sir. That is very much the case. The basis of the video, Nina, that is how it is.
And ono yi musuwe na yese frata no ne ho so anaza still onfu so mo de we
over ya tell you say president say man time na on present onye ayi business ni wi eni so be ya no awi ansa no yi no a mumye ni ne ase empam say no public court anyone kasa actions in actions no aba be you out but the me say case ni awi o ya wi yeah, that call your bread is a
special prosecutor.
Oh, that be any hobium. Bibiani hobium.
And Sikano here, Fanisa or the buyer. And the vice president said, Onimo here, or Fanny Quabi BNT, we are in social media and across Munina immediately, summary dismissal, any adena or minimum here.
That vice president, the media, you know, or okay. But the grand agenda, no, vice president, Nimoshe.
And to a boy in the cracker somewhere, or can say a large bomb, the on Tessa, he's not like that.
Oh, and I make sure say the grand agenda, no, the Navy, a cafe, no, a cafe also a cafe, yeah, you were dear. Now, no, where is he to also say, on my year press conference, you can't do it because you are gaggle. They were not there and say a rock on. We have press conference, you'll crab will be fool. Papa said that then I said, into why water tight. You are gaggle.
Yeah, we
can't even defend. Who could defend and we defend that? Say, me kwaje manye. Sika ni yede supporting bag me acheche the amount. And then a bema nipa da sani say, young tapu akwa we kwa ni man yem pam free ministry so with 200,000. Go for the camp abom dey good dem okroma no. What is $200,000 to them say they pam free ministry ho. And the papa no nya kwa ni entimi ni wadi because you do kwa him ba. Na say, ye say you bet my ya da oba yina du ya yina di solid into one smart why smarter means how do we say na I confirm fidie enyime you understand me because so ministry na wo ho nana we ministry ho so challenges ho when our challenges ho and onim niama ministry ya man ko ho ne niama o ko ho you know obi ani omnim dia ko so ho. Enti say among for resident e wo ho ye do betachi ye nua na say okra de nkwa na ma case na be ye na free ho dia hey we do mo this is the president etimi sa fa obi e ma o free advice o bitimi fa obi din ko sa ministry ho a ono de na ke say o me announce me I've had my problems always with announced products a lot of them and your organic content. A lot of them are rehearsed.
Enti Farouk Osha sani wo kan ya so de ni hwa obi say ye Richards bisu nsemi e ba ya senya wo kan enye ne enti se de say be ragalam say yi mu
I don't make sure say tio a funny tio because only the Richards bisu je 2018 asem wo ka issue atu obi next Galamsey economy 2020.
But me try no chance so be kasa dey it was somewhere 2018 or try or entrap no so be kasa 2018 is
and 2018 so be kasa 2018 is na 2018 na cover 2018 issue aba ya wie case na wie na odo bi ase ne baby see you na do so I dey na o tin baby how do you bring in 2018 issue e dey be share video e didn't have any video you didn't have any content.
Na presidency ni kura wo hese ne wo kan ni wo twe adwen ba ya wo so say na no ada Charles Bisu interministerial aye committee e ba ye na ye so nyina nchen ne o hwe na fo be clear no say entisa ona no ba bi na na sa bre na no o manya Charles adubo ahindie no mama na 2018 2019 2020 2022 ansana o mo be boy atum
and then I make sure say anas be yi boy no kwa ade no wo a What I say? We be too predictive, and people are wise. In Chisana, they are young, my coverage, you know, Kika. And I'm not new content to be an over here. A plate or prepared program, just purposely to get the gentleman out. And then he didn't also work himself up well. He just got fixed. And he, Papa,
and the crowd problem and what announce credibility, Hono. Oh, no, me are doing.
I just said, like a medical my introduction said, me myself, I was the first person to criticize Akwesi Nyantakyi's video and how the whole thing went about. The very day, Ghana, Cheka, Kwan Faswa, Akwesi Nyantakyi, EBP, Emirates, didn't buy. Almost Akwesi Nyantakyi to say Rambo Chief, Elkotika International Airport, Tamak Neso. On the Nebayano, I together with Naka to Kukui. I know where you was the only person at that time, Awama. Georgia Free any those people in alcohol. We about 8 people. A many speed a car cried in Bekosin and a big hall. Everybody knew Sakosin and Chikwani Bikunu. Papa, quote me. I'm going to ask police headquarters as I speak. Less than 4 hours. Kosin and Chikis arrived near a Cochin Samak. Yamadan free aircraft in Su. Who paid down quite initially. Above 4, every bedroom 12 o'clock. Yes, I was in 12:15. Oh, Tamak, a flight now. And we've been by police headquarters. 5:30 now, because he charge in the base. Because a useless case. I want to tell you, we did 2 days of police station there. We did 1 day of police station there. So what was the waste? Because in the same modus, certain people, somebody from somewhere, they wanted to get the boy off. Then yes, Papa the Papa could do here. Nearly he was the one coming in charge. On an anchor before. Well, yeah, a FIFA ESCO member. Well, yeah, CAP ESCO member, a deputy and a vice capture a president. About that time now, a call Madagascar ni or Kwako presidential bid. Or no case we 2 years now because he enters here to us. Or 2 years now because he enters here to us. Or my Cameroon you would 38 years. And my Cameroon years strong. Until now you nim say Saboya Ghana ni you nim so ye nia until baby a do no. Takosi Nyantakyi in the future into team copy the FIFA president. Guna ni ma sekeke ebe pemne oda court. But pemne oda court. Charge ben na de bon. What is the charge? Charge ben na de bon. That thing didn't even happen on the soil of Ghana. And as council GNO, it is not Ghana GFE. It is in the FIFA when it came now. The first FIFA and said, "Yeah, mention accounts." FIFA came to declare 3 days. One Sunday, Kofo be 2 weeks for her. One accounts are clean. Is the name FIFA he been to his first and the original so Omopaneno. Beside that, and then what did we not read about Anas? Newspaper and chef. Anas is going to FIFA. I said because FIFA Sunday and those guys of guys Australia. And I was the first person to say Abraham challenge Mr. Kokubaku. It's on reference. Say no FIFA in this world will reply Anas letter because FIFA statutory or they don't deal with private investigators. FIFA does not deal. That it was a blatter. FIFA and Infantino was Infantino or yes. FIFA does not deal with private investigators. Then I'm not starting file. At the end of dropping the file FIFA. Now I'm saying they should go and read 2014. The investigators a year Brazil. Time of Brazil for see Sao Paulo Sports Stadium. I know Muntia workers car, study job, building the buoy, Kumnipa 14. Building the Kumnipa 14. What did Brazilian, a normal friend or trigger something Brazilian journalist or American? Or your book, and or your reportage, he said they are not seeing, and was dancing with the goose. And the petition was to feast FIFA and he said, Brazil for after cheap labor. Brazil for cheap workers, woman to study job no mainty. Only 2014. You wake up and farmer the second competitor no. Now Brazil doesn't host a yin. When my dear FIFA for kind, almost say they don't deal with private investigators' report. If even you alert FIFA in her own time will appoint their own investigators, and that FIFA is controlled by a president who goes every part of the world like any leader of the world. And now being a bit detective, and Tibukuno, so I try a fine. So person a FIFA authorization, a FIFA signature. Omo tamana. Onfa books non-publishing fanko World International Airports duty free shop nanko fontono munkai. That is so FIFA gave them. When I said this, Ghanaian journalists at the time said no omufiso and then I'm vindicated yet titi bro journalists have been crossing for BBB Kasa and Akosinyan Techisi day. The only thing I've gentleman Mamadi and say is Sakeno. FIFA, watch your answer. Need swear on any radio station that I talk. Said, Omo Pomun chain. President Crown Court, FIFA will never reply anything on Amnas. See today, FIFA never spoke anything. They didn't even acknowledge. Me say, Anas saw a journalist on FIFA for letter of recognition. See, receiving letter crown from that. I just a waste. And on the Akosinyan Techisi. But you are still living here now. What politician at the level of state? What my bay state? Your friend is saying, Minister of State at that young age, gentlemen. No, I'm here. There, I do work. Dubai, Kogu, and Masse. Nana. I send me my rebel. Mama, keynote. To be another journalist, someone from Margin Coho. The keynote here and say, Mumusa say, 200,000, you know. What is Calaba and Omoji with the Bisa? Gentleman, I'm not a baby scan. Gentleman, Omra, no match a baby scan. Oh, wait, match there. Oh, bet my mom and this can buy. And she scan a man. And I said, Papa, said a human a paya. Send out $200,000 above it. The $200,000 is Kaketoa. L'argent n'est même pas le but. And this can play the my chance to produce it quietly.
Sir, o majisika no masa egu abrante ni masa na just ka sane yenyi hu anase no ne se amanfo ani kona djuma se touch man just anka ni pa bon se pa o
papa na so mu nim se untimi ma me grant interview sis kan wa ha and o mu sa je you don't see how the thing is adjuma na fe adjuma na fe sanas ayi boy man ntimi ma me ka se scan kra man fa mo na scan kra o mdi ma mi no mu je Omo baka che ne say odu Dubai airport a omu se scan wall ho a di scan be den e be yi and scan so di che no Turkish printed dollar fake dollar because dan omu no enya dia akwa se scan papa this is a trick dan na omu ya dia akwa se scan no and omu ne hosu wo and so first scan man san ko mama wa tete dia crowd wo wi amami fan crowd Woman also in a control into Okoman Airport, Dubai Airport. Sit at the VIP lounge because the business class in the quiet. Over got a VIP lounge. Then we give the money this a special this and answer operative this caliber bro. Now we're trying quick flight to Ghana, flight 787. Monko boarding gate to do it himself. What for that time. South side, you know. When you airport ayin cover biom ayin ko biom your friend the Wi-Fi ni ko biom o ko departure Dubai departure ha Wi-Fi ni kate e wo ho boarding gate no Wi-Fi e ko form up na kate and you can communicate to them so you are expecting say this can be brought on board na ati ho and you go na say keke $1 kwa man fa bi ama no I'm telling you how it works. And yes, some grant interviews can only buy. One first can be a man. When you $1 60 Okoman per man.
I also say and then a lawyer in Abusiama Kwaya said to me Becca and you be saying yes and you go and my say was off for we get a name Abusian for name once and Abusia Kakraka Dr. Professor Duba here Abusian. I also be canny who near womb and some just some gago sana walk you don't know how to come and defend. Some they make I want to say
Send a bet himself because Okobi on the case is can Okoman farmer me. Obi abata say I'm sorry you a fool. What I say? Basically, you find show himself.
They say no almost Tiano Abrono I said to any soon.
Make sure say, and then I'm just say Juma. The job was to get him off. And we keep on home. And on the one you don't come with the money. You do not come with the money.
They say so was swear the oath of secrecy. And Niema also so when Nimina or ministry honey by Munia so I'm say that brings Yabonoko.
Oh, there be no oath of secrecy in India, secrecy in India. I Ghana sa chronona. Your constitution ya the two horn. It's a bogus constitution with that oath of secrecy. Oh, countries oath of secrecy in anything. Anything. We have oath of allegiance, oath of office. Yeboah, allegiance and constitution be a woman. Who go swear from 1957? Who swear oath of secrecy? And then secrecy na Ghana one person will be doing. And then young person will be better. And then oath of secrecy, like I said, the president told so whoever agency is yeska, who you won't me and can't want some. Ejina Ghana so be the president. Naba for this kabia. None the ministers under him. Carry out some you. The ministers are now war or no ni regime. Yetimichi won. Edwom bibitum. President no Yankobusa and meanwhile, contract and your best sign. Council of State room, Parliamentary Committee room, Ministry of your friends of Finance room,
cabinet approval.
Cabinet approval room, presidential approval room in some via president in any terms are not quite fee.
Immunity.
Now, a community, a cobano. Nemo Musasa, Brunia Musasa. Dilula Yambana go to Brazil, Dilula. 8 years. Koko Chaye. The man in minute in Kwakanu, Kabetri, and then Wasaba. That is what a democratic nation works. Let the people free your work.
Kwampe Prako, Musalome, Akomu, Abuga Peleniade.
Baba, Omamukomo, Mamincho. Gano be a jail in Ibian or 7 full sentence. Apart from Salome Wuye. Ya pardon ubia. Ya pardon ubia obape ni pardon.
It's not cover up another day.
And then I make you say you omuka so me investigate it to the core. Omo beko jail ni dofu because I started from a bit the cocoa board case. A bogus case. Untimi for punintu, untimi ya nhwe. Unless the government is bent to do on something, for instance. Because case no obi na prepare Ghana sa no mi accounts no. Obi na paper accounts. They started from accounts officer. We are the aqua money supervisor. Supervisor, we are not the comma we. We are not the director of finance. Director of finance, they are not the call a board. Now board of forces. So I could see you. Let's see also the comma board. Board said the party that's how much board yahoo. See also the comma board. But the board we are board at nothing. Board chairman approver. We are refer to the sector minister. Which is the trade. What the call sector ministry and there is only economic planning. What they call Minister of Finance. No, so I'm an advice. Yeah, they are called your friends saying, how do we call it? Accountant General. Now call Auditor General. Young share Sebibia Kwana appear from Council of State Advice. Now appear from Young Parliamentary Approval. Neco sector. Now appear from Moho. A Chiafaso. We are Young Cabinet Approval. We are now Cabinet the Minister of Finance approved. Move it to my call. Signatures in Inaye. Papa, counter reversal entries. Counter reversal entries in signatures will call 18, 20, 25. And sign our Ministry of Finance no about issues in Yentia. Otia we are at a Okoman Kasa General so sign a part. They are sad their woman, Neko Bank of Ghana. Obia who's a transaction problem womb. And it's a case bar. The Yentia CEO for Romney and Agent Cassia. But when you have a compromise, and do some Jiminka, and to bar case in the bar near catch your sexually. Abba, and to the Yabaka Quadia Bay. A charge and be case in between 8 years, now government and another government to bar next a case in Yavi. Either than that, Abba, Omon Bekumno. I am for a Yarugu prisons. young politicians in Guado Kojela. Your man is sick. Your party won't because or Yari. How many politicians do don't accept sentence Ghana over embezzlement? Or the who should hear journalists. Now, compared to woman, your phone, say, mom says yes, and we're training your phone. Of course, says yes. Maybe I saw MPP for to Numbi, na in there. Gangan to Wyoming, no. Maybe I saw Wyoming, what me need to. Tama, na ni bring your car smile ready, bring it on. I'm also prepared, you know. Both MPP and DC. That will be a journey for cover.
As I
now this is Equasia. Momo, Moji Mama Bush and 42 take it full flight to call, you know, at the Korea Ball South African. Omo da hotels, you know. I be car or deep bear one mantina or that chair hotel bill. One no, I'm also mom bringing it on. Under NDC, now I owe me cockpot. And the NDC, the norm the cockpot. And you my MPP for boy, Kwame don't come on here that day. But I'm sure why you MPP back off about you know back off to that.
Yes,
that is Ghana for you. And you down near the fell big time.
And I pay Farouk. Assembly reho na esan yesreche se ujaja ho ye titi hey uja ho ye de wayo anisa.
Nene. We are journalists. Me do my assignment. Assignment na mo asma etitia. Munko bu se du bu an se scan away.
Oh, abranti asem ye me ya.
Shishi kura fa bia bakrum ha. Shishi.
Big man kakran so nya first class na munokoda first class hotel ni adne man treatment yes and be see Ghana.
Ebu o man Ethiopia girl aka ho. Sanon belu.
Hey, ejumai.
Oh. O man Ethiopia girl aka ho no wetima kasa good. Ada obedu no. Ya ma Ethiopia girl. Nice one. About service good. Ni aka package no ho. So your government official here ma treatment. Ni aka package no bra. Oh yeah, ade cha na abehu o levels. So this can be cross to Dubai abekum ha. Me say asem na simple. We seasoned journalist. Me say mun ko busa ne say. Ya this kind man buy and as can man farmer. So man farmer no. And when you 200 in the Papa, what the problem encore second on the français. French faut c'est problème no wahi. Il faut rester manger ton l'argent tranquillement. L'argent n'est même pas le bruit. Ça tient si du si kakafra. Peaceful. C'est qu'un PDD. Est-ce que où est l'argent ça? C'est qu'un ouais. Où est l'argent là? Comment va les amano?
Et dia farmer ni français ko ni farmer na. Sa bre anya guru anim asese waji. Obetimi do ma farmer akwa so waji.
Wuni me akwa bia de be fa so waji. Oye journalist. Oye journalist. Now, obi akata ne nsa ho tete ho when you smart class obi she mask e ontimi hu. O ma ko tinya nta gidi na ring bell. You what mat na ho ama. Nkra wo mu di wati agro, bra. Di na di agro.
Oh, you're a Farouk. Anapai ye beda se obre no wadaje ene se ne wasi acheche ne mama kire. Wa me ani abe so yin eti ye be careful papa. Me metu the boy me kwada ifu kwasi. Ai ne de yin na ibe so bibi de film.
When did you go? Kana she. Rasta parents and the father timu. Somebody.
What's the guy that Rastafarian country?
Rastafarian country anyhow. When you am pen bet me do no. She. Mother wouldn't say I say, my am crab wouldn't say the sub chronicity. What me a smart to Ghana?
Nano na mampani ya se omunya botre na finance minister odi onya IMF nwie na de obi a onsanka ayi no ene because sa MP na mo ye ayi press conference ya makamo to makamo munya belu zubu seat sa obi kai
na omo ye jumara mi ate numbers no so number na ayi no oma amanfo presi yenyu mu hono esa na numbers no so he say na ma problem ni so atekakra ye hu be economic problem ni free ba so ate de beche la so say ye hu be economic problem Dollar.
Hey.
You buy the $1 cost. Sure.
Oh, omni na ye. Ajumane dino. Very good. That's no brainer that it's a pleasure talking to you all the time. I don't know that's video.
I don't go no more by why.
Oh, God, so video.
Don't now look at when you back on will be back.
Mate. You're Farouk Awahab, Ghana's international diplomatic consultant. And people watch the Baba Che. Kwame, who you kaka?
Pa, me want you
pa. Kwesi beka kakra.
Yes, I know. Yes, I me bisa say actually sika no say bi the man okra na obehu say a fake currency. Obe den. Eno na ye papa actually me say someone first ka bia po ama no. Na eno ni nyina boils down to enibre. So what you want me gidi say na ka tua be kosoro pa. O presidency dey o ka tua be kosoro nti dey na ka no kra ntia. Odi we echi ko Dubai hono say cartel say fa ekoje say sika. O say eno na sabre o madware wa ya bo pada ya say pint e hye wo nyina ye madi. You got it up on the powder. I reho. Me reho. Kwesi. Kwesi my motion. Yeah. I do buy him bow. No, they MPP buy no. Okay, fund for this one. I do buy him. It didn't just say no. Yes, Sabu dia. Yeah. Kwesi.
Chairman, I don't pay Mammy Yamiado, Mammy Chieti for you, na the boy men away Yardin will be say, and the Brias about kind. Oh, yeah, down part.
I sent my panum catching into a deal.
And the brand say, on my basis, or say, we are Juma presidency. As allowance near that didn't and the brand then don't bet I'm catching a question about Uti. Mamka Sabin. Uti. Not Obia. Ebe fro se me pewa wo obetiase
debi me
ko yembe show ya suma so me seti me apana en no ka se e de ne ma wo ya adwuma be ka se o yire se e bia me ko business se nye na me opportunities enti me ko business bi aba with the hope se bia be yeye se ne wo kan wo ko ye fa ne se one e bia you have been used and dumped wa kotna first class wa ya ma ba bia tena bia se no kan ya ma ga bia ka ho wo wie wo don sa pan aba obe pentro bi atwa kire wo yire anase ska kwede ma ba obedu ya won say fake nkrofi adom ma mini kwasi nyama bo so for bro be hye wo untimi nka enno ka say kwasi ya na mi no chrome ni say ye hia bi sir mako business e won kan asika no ye say de mami operate radio license mi say mi hunu license mi fama ya mi ni sika because me beji bia na sa bi de ba bia mpese me tono makotua bia na phone bi na no ko bi sa phone esi 18,000 because ji mami na no kwasi ni okore kura ko fa iPhone bi gold na so kwadan kete manager kakra mi di mu ko fofo kakra be bisa me abe kitanga se we manager phone enti me am say manini iPhone me Samsung all I'm saying is abeyi hu hia and other boy ka say bia o ma ni train de na bia anibre kwasi Utu see opportunity because opportunity my way didn't make home. And I'm sorry. Yes,
but chairman, from my perspective,
only no be officer me family free hand.
Oh you.
Nipa be tu aba.
Yes.
Ba ko ba so anka airtime no. Obeso na me connection nanka or the commerce of me the man be 100 Ghana on be come be 300. Na kwa be kakra man sofa. Asma ni eken wa
go trim
obi mi station enter prepared akropon ha kwa station atie na enfa de ma be se bia 1000 na koto na 3000 na be kakra ma we asma wana so officer get out
calm down to the American
question you know
oh say Mr. Officer the conversation is starting feel offer me no also your suffer
me walk on my friends get out
me also your suffer na me so
get out of the office
asem on the make mentiase nti bra na be shia be
no address
no
get out of my office come on sorry get out
yes bro but metie commentaries on anas exposition
maybe a station I just say me farm 1,000 I could turn 3,000 I beg I come and say who transmit up
Ẹnti jena so you nibre for a what odi no kan pay ho a unse ona maybe a 70,000 80,000 and na ye ma
for na be draw na be to no omunim sika
na gu ani mu ase
me pam no free officer nipa be to me say get out sorry because me catch say me do sika say obetu ya me yam for say mate official reason enti oh, bad was my friend get out of the office.
Sorry, so make us in
Mate, me permanent from office.
Yes, also make us in
you all get up a person. I see my call for appointment. And my chain into me.
Yeah,
get out of the office. Not so free. I couldn't. Me never be that. But you see, elsewhere, no, me no be a me can't customers. But I join the bed. That's a diabolic mind to corrupt us here. Because smoke idea. Me be a man and then you see, me yeah, Juma. Na nipa miensa ene ye namfofo me nam de mo boa for say namfofo miensa nipa miensa namfo a ntokwa ene kasakasa ba enti mu mienu nye namfo me metachiri na ne ko bai asa me top form no ba ko de ma second one na no afrem de ama me me so me ko bisa first one to me se me ntie ensa enti ba ko no me da na information ma me enti me tiara mti bia e na ko friend asumasi yes now customer che ba fo ento de bia ajo device strategy me ni kwesi okore na me ewo asema kwesi betim bia ba eno asema okore beba kwesi ama dia na se bi na nyame da me ka chokore ka kire no okore so akore no bi se me ferry boy no no so ferry me ka se me ferry kwesi o you see okore kwesi odi kwesi pani what am I say and a man of few talks few
sabebre
what I say kwesi wo me bi ko bo mekutia kakra kwesi bo mekutia kakra president adwuma de ka ho beti ase ati church na so okore
I so obaba ko no ko
I can't go myself.
I can't go myself.
Okore ka se kwesi me nya keto ano me ni because ye na fo ye nua ade aha no ontimi enka che manager ne bra paniti na obo me kuti o ayi set obo me set us be me say ka che kwesi onya ne we me ni ka che me nya keto so onya ne me ni wow it's the beauty of it we are men we move because now me ka say me say ya ma nko kaba Yama official residence uti. Yama office back uti. Ono so kakra uti mo de France adwuma Okoman no. O pese bo ne dia. Be ma o say din no come beef na ball. Cause pese ono e mine bona. Be ma o come beef na ball.
Yes. So I am taking it from a perspective say. O share expose na ba na to metie commentaries ni bebre and I'm picking it from that point to say voiceovers no doso. Ye nim the genesis of the conversation. We don't know the genesis of the conversation. And ye nimni nti oteho na osisa osika no. Video abeto abonten a wo hwe a orisisa osika na go politin bag. There is a voice over. Inki ben ne wom what has been the conversation between them enti all this sika na rema won. And I say edubu ahene orisisa osika. Ye hwe ni nyina ho. That is why.
Kwasa je ni eni otwe honhom. Eme bi na obi ka asem bi na okotu ge bi na ge ni na no say all I'm saying is do baby me kase me chira bema to chira bema the boss there one o problems was over half sir na can how to manage them adubo ahen fine gentleman hwe otoyi bibi timisi what's maja ya oje adewe de ensi won anim Jeff akufu boatin o papa wu o say asem we na bi papa wu but
onye won achi
da ye nua ba ko ba ha me monidin e bra ba ko ba e was asumasi ba enti ne papa na for ko no friend asumasi ba you see me might thank you me might me say that the one na chere wade we me papa the assumption so be sua na chere ne ba say me so papa na chere me from my grandfather and kwame o papa maybe na omo ofi omo hwe bibi o TV so na me nka de ko de o ma me say bibi ben na kola bi hey that dey ko be kuyen see on the mission team say that do me papa does not endorses it etunu so papa no professor dubo ahen na wane na mu abedu sampia pempenso ya
the wash president
na papa enei papa nti hye na wo se mempre meko Dubai na meko hia kwetena plem ya dia na eyakono bone na
ajam ka sembe nche no kwanti odi omochi
akono bone ne kwasi
asembe
eneda ko na akono bone ba o build it o be hwe ba na tu ana tu ana ti ana ne kon be no akọ obetimi no di agro bia na bi ope wasem wadwen so ope otimi ko tkache ade me pe o agro na me pe o wasem keke enti I think say one read between lines here na process there say your kind no we dey rougher You best sacrifice. They will throw you under the bus. Fantastic, they will come up and Nibia. And they was a Mizanka. Aye, and that's your home.
One
Abrausu. Tina Branson some how me pa ya ne krofo e dia ba ha wonom so ka bi Nana Adupako the second o my classmate o ya juma kolebu skoli ana why you ko viedu me ma so watching o ya juma kolebu madam for pa me mate kwa just set Batista hard work pace I say hard work adwumaden I said, the boy, I'm watching you live from Kumasi. Hard work pace. Okoman to the world. Thank you very much. Ofemas was a good morning, KB, the next best journalist in Ghana. Thank you very much. Good interview there. God bless you. Yes, you also hear that. I can see. I bet you child right for na. Maybe I call some na kuduna. I do buy in there. And masa kagu.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
Yapo mabaso ni ejumapa mo area boa Okoman Ghana eni ejumapa ni na yete ni akoko nshira ejumapa mo ni mo mama mo den eni akoko bubeji ejina no area boa Okoman Ghana.
Mini emi my fear diane nyamide if you say to your mosum the java for the any home pa Koko sechi Mini emi my fear diane nyamide if you say to your mosum the java for the any home pa
Okoman de pieni de promotion.
To meet na baby dee. I'm a phone to meet na baby dee. As your dream pop, break one and some money about the dream. Oh my bass, watch restaurant. As your pebble fratty. Oh, Betty, don't a minion slow for the phone. For to Mosum say, and today of a by Mosum, Medium who is here, and Timmy Nidifie, and Miwako and Apollo. Because I did this, someone as why I say, was say, Nansu the meaning I bring check. I feel so much by Mosum. Enti oni di fie na no wa ko e na kono. Oh, seji. Me di me ma fie di ane nya me de. E bi se ti o Mosum. De java for di eni mo ba. Oh, seji. Me di me ma fie di ane nya me do. Se ti o Mosum le jabo for the end home pa say me yare obofo ni mabo yare fuo obofo ni kwa mwa bede ne hiano Koga sa ti mi si me di me hu mesio enunti me ko so me di sumuna soda Ewana menya ne da medie na bo me ho ba ya mani ani acho me ho ko ya kono ande bi na makra madowo Ejuma me mi awuye biara somu yo Emma wani mro ni pa biara sada krope obere na weni mogwa
yo what did you mean
Gogosechi Gogosechi
hano the voice is our evidence my story na
never hunyo musa
Gogosechi also sumina so a enye jimi no wajimi on the first year penyinche na onam torchlight din na okwe better otiminya na ntu nyina
papa
obi nkokum ne ngwe no sumina no so sa adubu ahen wasem ya reho eye ya na so adwuma na diu adwuma na diu unfortunately for him and Gogosechi osin etuomu nso obofo kita eya bekasa ba openya so bekasa profrati bo se asrobo ada form anapaya ka se free cataract surgery no tetekwashi Memorial Hospital Adaroma anapay o se ka se free nra 14th and kosi 16th eyo china na wo ye hu adwuma bomoden akọ ne mpanin hwe wani no ma se tenko adia ene Himalayan cataract project ene do ma bebo tetekwashi to mtoma bebo mo dia no ene ye behwe ne aya ma kama no beka se 10 year duro intimi nya hu operation oboa pomodia ko mpani for fresh Sarah it was 0547 889292 0547 889292 na ne mpani ni nkita ho open so simuko eye clinic wote te kwashi ne enye screening ne muku na ene eye nra ene nene ochina no ye hwe ne enye bibia ma kama wote te kwashi anabai yentia Mr. Labi or no any administrator Mrs. Kumado deputy administrator enko informant penifo ho nyina Alhaji Abu ono ni accountant Alhaji wonte dey ene ba besrawo yenua ofori kan wo so ho a nana Odaroma yemoachi ena enko informant Daniel wemnya ya dofo a omwo eye tetekwashi ene ebekọ ni akosra wo mu ni ehun se na mabekọ masa kagum
no pay mama achina Gogosechi die na se ekọ enimu ano no na eye wiase nyina kobo board wiase nyina na wiase nyina ball bono ye nyina yakase ekọ bobia ebe den yeyim na yetia yeye Ghana ensuruma tuntum yaso ye kobi enti no wuti wa muti Okoman ne ade ne no commentary no ye de bebrem papa mrantie no boabo mo papa de na nadi anopa bia wakwa gym abrantie ba kwen krobia oso kwa gym na akosi akotoko no sa jete mrantie
akosi asime mo warning wasime mo last warning but was first and last
yo
ne makanu ti wasime mo o first and last warning oya djuma ewo Brekum Chelsea.
Eti akosia brekum.
Brekum Chelsea.
Akosia brekum Chelsea.
Thank you.
Wo mu nyina ebo ho na nra. Wo se wono de na ekura no ha na nra otena kakra se madwuma ya de. Ene senti no kata kwantio mpanyini yewura kebi di anim aisha bibia Okoman yenko kata 2022 Okoman radio 97.1 yenko kata 2022 na senia McFadden edizen adende na ise wohwa kata no Argentina na befa na Portugal tosumi na Ghana tosumi ensa kevede nyame ase papa ne sentino commentary ebeba kama anopa wi anwumre nyina commentary beba commentators no so eboa wo mo ho yeso eboa ho afi predict and win enso ebeba so sa ne tie na mom yesi bakufo didi mi akromu nyede ne senti empanyini edi aba ama yewura Kofi Ansong Baffuor asan se hwe se sport afi mo amoye trouble adwuma ne ade obi a opese obeba Okoman hanom na yaba na so anana so ne yeso ne abera ne comment ndi afi wodi aba no kwasem ne ni baje papa na yewura ka ebi ne akoban se aye bobo kan se anka yemra ne ho ewo ye trum ho enra yaso te se akronfo akowia no akronfo akowia papa no akofodia akronfo akowia no se sika odi to us odi bebre 1002 Oma tamsikari nyina ko na ne baba bi na
but
24
ne nkwa kitano
ne nkwa ne
obia ho anka
David
nyakopan kwame nkwa ne hia ayi bobo emane ha ododo ani sana osota krache na we nipa mama bia ho ahi onkwa ene hia se ne nyakopo ka kire Satan no say Job makwa Job one wo ho no ne nkwa de
memfa wansanka
ente wonkwa kitawi ne enough man ye ni age se wo ebe nko ebe fa so no be
no na nipa dom ye bo drive na nipa dom bebre na wa ye bobo ha wote background no se nipa dom na nti sɛ me rechichen sɛm na sɛ ne ɔde ama no saa nti mo amu akire mo amu apasare wo latte wo prede wo sport bi na opese e ba ho no mo canteen ne be rane comment ho no ma ye crowd say e betumi aba na de nyina tumi akonkan e de ama wo nti no betumi friend panyini e wo 0549012454 na yetumi aba sport wo na ye be rane comment de fi and after 0246 435565 offer sa number no lines no baby up say ba na be run comment fi bia be run comment na team ni nyina no e be di akire na yaba na be boa made nyina tumi akonkan de ye run comment no na je say osika so de ye ton sana ye ton na edidi na amanfo ba ho no na ade nyina tumi akonkan e de ama ball na ye bo na mo ye nwie no na onye sika kama enti no ye Okoman yenko kata 2022 ena yede ebebre mo san to bia betumi aba na yetumi akonka bia ba bi nso emeka eho eno apai no yefi World Cup na se na yede ni chem ewo ye Regeness Hotel ewo Dukrum Akuapem Regeness Hotel ewo Dukrum Akuapem akosua kisiwa na busanfo nyina echiam nyina ene anopai na Regeness enfantom anim se no kwasem omoda so a ekro mudie mu eba hohoye se yeginipa na yede na tena na ma na baby papa mana dadie Ghana nyina okwabama mu nyina no omo ya de papa executive rooms, training room, deluxe rooms, standard rooms, economy room na fe swimming pool yi jiwani wo nsuo ana de nyatimi akonkan e de ama afei conference room say UTAG for ne na grateful yi nkohia ban na nkasa na yi nto yi nkohia ho ma bibia betumi akonkan afei restaurant aduane ahodo bia opebia no kopie mu ho no ma omunya bi de asom na de nyatimi akonkan e de ama mo mpufufu kokonte palava sauce ne salad ne nuanom nyina no kwa obenya bi ho no mo wo mu butu Dukrum Akuapem wo ne enkane Okre District Assembly no ene di anum hwe bibia ne betumi afro Regeness Hotel for ewo 0244 333373 0244 333373 and after 0503 337788 Regeness Hotel as a home with nature. Anuachi Adum Live Band ene yeka say Adum Live Band womo a set it up yenu aduba he but this time womo boban papa really yanko outdoor engagement where the party no hear band be bo ediamo kama madwumadi no ase aye de papa no eno ane Adum Live Band enti modi ada na ni mpanyin enkasa na first come first serve bedi kaka ba adwuma yi ya ba na efofra donzi jayo yitimi buku sa mutim buku anafe wudi mi be obi ena wanhwe be no ni makogu ase o ti ase o mo ba na ma pose o da bi mi so minim bo nsanwam minim bo ha no mo say 5000 almost 7000 we na fe akoti afaso na fe ho na akwache ti we di asika no edafam bokoboko first come first serve modi ada na agye de ade nyantimi konkan emfa emawo enkrabata ne ye miensa ba ko akropon ha no mo ba ko enkra na fi tema kama Adum Live Band from Penyini 0242 26 75 38 0242 26 75 38 Adum Live Band ye bonia de kama udam be fe udamu ebete kama dia eno aso benya enema papa no de sisi edanu dan de yesiesi wo sene be mbe fe de ejina wa wo so enkanea sene we position no lamp holders type of to America dear China dear Dubai dear ni na no iso kopium ewo ye Blessing and Greatness Ventures ombuto mind asman abutachi ho ana adwuma ko ewo wo ne gas filling station no ana bonchi mu open ne disi dan mu nyina eye paint afi nkanea odrobe ade twinsuo ade ko eye efie security doors tiles, tiling accessories, tiling chemicals, ni nyina no kwa benya bi hono mo TNJ made in Ghana quality corner moves ni nyina no kwa benya bi afi plywood no so de kwa drawing board o de kwa nkonwa table ni ade ni nyina no kwa o nsabetimi asom bi so bathroom accessories wo mo ana age ade asi wo mo enan so mo de na frem panyini e wo 0244 50 7310 0244 50 7310 and after 0206 670 Blessing and Greatness Ventures almost at the pa and a ton ho anapay yebetra nyina kasa nyina no kwasem eno ane so benya edu papa elia chosi kama na di nyina timi akonkan ɛde ama fe kakai wi adwo ɔse me kaka ne ntimi mpensu a enwunu da bi o se na wiase ayehyi mode na nya nsuo na enwunu bi na no bi kaka nti wontimi anwu dompe wontimi mmona mu namu ya no akyene kama se me wi bebre a me se be ha me obi wo so di ade pe na femfem ne electric shock obedi ade sese ya wo se ne se ɛdro na ba ɛyɛ Kojak Oracle and Procode na Kojak for ɛde ɛyɛ charcoal toothpaste and toothbrush no ɛde aba na auto toothpaste na brush na ɛhyɛ wo free na ja wo de twitwo se kama twisi ne wia na wo de sensitive mouth bath no ɛde bia pusu wanum na de nyina tumi akonkan ɛde ma and until lawyers judges carpenter for choristers presenters asofo mofra mpanyini wo bia wanwo yɛ dwuma trouble ne ade hairdressers tire nyina wo gyan krofo so yɛ tire ne ade baba for obia ngi bi fa bi twitwe se ne fa bi nhoro yɛ num ade nyina ntimi konkan ɛfa ma yafe wagina wa che uti ne bo dwen uti ɛyɛ wo ya Uya ye Procode na ono mu a ebetumi abo papa tete aduro pa na sabre ya dwane ntama foforo ya de abre yen obia no mbi na agenya ntumi konkan say ye charcoal toothpaste no na Procode bi na wope de dwuma no bankran okanshi eye Koja Farmer ho na obenya bi okanshi Druglin Koja Farmer ho no mope na dodo no wo ba ko menu miensa bi de drug source ben yen bebi to ndro ni ade kwa yani nyina bi na de nya tumi akonkan de amount Koja Farmer osia pomuden fare by no JDK Adom Enterprise Phantom Panyin ni akadom nyina anim se edan na hyase kopma wieye wa nya ne papa obesu papa elenti no me no ka sei omo hyeda akwa buruchiri ba bia ye cement no ene wakodi nkomo se cement moma inkinkum inki akom papa ene omode aba iron rods nso ba bia ye no omo akọ no ne kodi nkomo se Ghana for the omo pa de pa enti ade pa nko na JDK Adom wode aba wode soma mpanyini esi dan ne ade so cement iron rods enadwa iron and galvanized pipe square pipe round pipe angle pipe flat bar and a few rods a hold of 5/8 quarter rods near the nina no kwa JDK Adom benya bi edi amount wonso butu amount as mampon mampon kontrenchi ho na wono mu ebutu encha mampon fo nyina anope wotete kwashi Memorial Hospital enchemu ho no mu obu kof kase no ho na be hu aya JDK Adom na wonfa adansi hu ne manyina emfa enom wo 0244 42 95 33 0244 42 95 33 na 0244 857 874 JDK Adom Enterprise adansifo nyina hene baako ene no ene de sika money l'argent sika no empedede na mu wanya bi susu a ho ba che papa anenti na quick credit and investment micro credit limited quick credit and investment micro credit limited for abase ombo nyina bosia wamo bobia bosia na e de ahye adwuma mu e de ahye adwuma no ase e de ato adwuma no eso so adwuma no po e ba fam na ohia sika dodo bi ohia no quick credit for ebema oya abanya adwuma anase oya wankasa wadwuma obema obi afi ye nko jesusu na de akotua sika ana afi no nkope esiachi ba bi emma na bosia ya ma obi no ohia se obenya Ghana card a sika woza kan bi awi 2022 ekwa wiye kopum 2023 wanya adwuma dia na wa ye bosia no se ope bia no yebema fragadam bia enim agency bia enim womne Bank of Ghana nso de dinsa wo so nti we die sika no sebe enkoka adwa mu de biarada wo register ya na ya kira kwa befa so ade achi a o sabe ka eye wosi eka bibia ni aframpanyini wo ye 0302 0302 200390 0302 200390 and if 0596 920 833 0596 920 833 kana ozo binya Ghana card unya Ghana card a quick credit for ebe ma obosia bia wope quick credit or say lending made simple.
Okoman Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yapo mabaso ni edumapa mo eye yapo Okoman Ghana eni Okoman Kenya.
Yetutu ya nanyina Onye kasa Yeni mwane ya kro So wasi diape Uyezu kapreba Yafana pimbi
Okoman Radio.
Sisu
Swade na chiridentina Abwa brabo nyamumano Sisu bibio Na swade na chiridentina Abwa brabo nyamumano Sisu bibio Matima pasi buachie Hapasie Unizika tumuasi
Okoman Radio.
Yo, me go so go back to my pa. Ubo my cat no. Nyami shira we to my pa ubo. Nyami shira you know nya when you some the nyama be there aye.
Okoman Radio.
Wonu yo. Unye sikano su yo. Wama. Here wonu yo. Yes sound. Unye sikano su yo. Sisu bibio, entena ya ramo. Sisu bibio, iya wane ya mafu. Atima pasi boachie, hakwasie, unyesika tumuasio. Atima pasi boachie, bemene, unumusa tumuasio. Atima pasi boachie,
Okoman Radio.
hakwasie, ushiyama tumuasio. Naswade na chiridentina, abwa brabo nyamumano. Sisu bibio, naswade na chiridentina, abwa brabo nyamumano. Sisu bibio, Atima pasi boachie, hakwasie, unyesika tumuasio.
Okoman Radio.
All right, just about 30 minutes after 10, lovely Tuesday morning. We are about wrapping up. D-boy, I want to make a see boy. I'm say a branch and a seminal. Nyania, a fene, kono na a day. After Sanke was say interview be child right. Say san come. A tip on fan chain. Brace him on your number didn't come. Now, it's always you obechi about me. I mentioned my maybe war. I brew Auntie Charlotte. You're not friend Shati. And I pay a car. Very good morning to you. Kwame.
And then that be 16 ana.
And 15th.
Ochinachi ma order. Na
Ochinachi.
Bi na mankai.
Ya order.
Bi na mankai nti. Me tu amanfo anu na yeze. Humobo.
Ada o yare anade ne.
Yare.
O yare so ntiapo.
Yare so ntiapo. Uze mo fra bremu no. Birthday ni ma enti. Aya na enkai. Anti makai ebi amenka bio.
Wan kan ja ye grempe biti.
Michia mama atakuya. Michia na no pay. Na michia me kan fo nso ne me mama ba ko tie pa mama Krofa madam no pa made wo me rinchen ho no no. O tie pa mama Krofa na pay michia no. Emano omkoso a entie ne woni ba Bibre edema oholomo.
Oh yeah. That's it. You didn't pay ye jumadi nyina you didn't eboboy pa kwese eje encouragement any citizens samranti any producers e bin come list of kwame hne da ko safomafo di boy we didn't birthday ochinachi na oda de se de ese o man for se muhunu mobo ne de why mobo we cover DJ Dozy DJ Zikibi and I akasa so be the Kofi Ansong Baffuor betwa from KB Madam Vujaga P kwasi wonsom kwasi ada priority me ka me mo achi me do odi anese me chia ahimbrom shata and me panifo ni na
wine town nyina
na sister ya me refini di no ye aduane wo hwa ya mo
wine town and the house Ajadu
very fantastic man sa na potamo dem do anti akusua na sisi akusua msakisi
ni na me confirm kakra ho no the Pentecost that home me be ton beans ho and na beans wa chichem the beans no me
don't mind your wife beans won che ho
beans me ni she down ye the fra me ni nya ho bebre ne kagu ye the fra no ha me de me pe no bia gari no kwa de nsu aguso no na wotidi na ya chesi aboboy ne ye rate at 3 cd de ko 3 cd de ko me hu na me say wow mami ade papa ntimi chiana no pay na ante come doctor eniampa no ba ha no ne sister ba ko
oh yeah ana pay dem nyina asem ya asem tie sorry so na kwa me parent e de adwuma aba beto aso ama yama monitia ejime ondeshi
so what's the happen we look up brother your friend and baby sisu bibio ya one in your mouth
Okoman Radio 97.1
Fatima pasi boatie Hagwasie Unyesika tu boasio Fatima